Hey guys, it's Tim Bruce here with HomeCraft, and I'm excited to introduce this amazing Canton home. You've got the 3 bedrooms, the 2 bath, Plymouth-Canton Schools, and many updates. You're close to all of the parks, the library, the summit. This one is definitely something you're going to want to check out. Thank you for taking a look at this home, and hopefully you enjoyed this tour. This is an amazing home and a great opportunity for you. Some notable features such as a heated garage, you've got a 140 square foot shed, and then again, the Plymouth-Canton Schools, the parks, as well as the library. Canton is an amazing community. For more information, check us out at homecraftteam.com or give us a call. You can also text it 734-329-0123. Thanks again.